Okay, so I'm gonna try and get this. It was suggested that I remove the snap-on clip for the O2 sensor since I'm having some trouble with my bike. So I'm gonna start from the back and go all the way up to there, over to there. Show you guys, I cannot find this cable for the life of me. This is the back of the bike, the rearmost extending pipe. Now to where they both are. I know it's a little dirty, I haven't had a chance to clean it. I'm not seeing anything that connects to these pipes. It's a wire of any form. This is the front pipe. Here's the side. There's nothing in there. I don't know if you can see under there. I don't see anything connecting to this other than a few bolts, but there's no form of wire. Can somebody please tell me if this even has an O2 sensor, and if it does, if it could be anywhere else?